As corporations advance more and more technologically, the complexity of the knowledge from various parts of the value chain leads to more and more data. This data needs to be analyzed, connected, and contextualized in order to bring further benefits to the business. The development of scalable, automated enterprise knowledge graph-based solutions for connected data challenges is a core competence of CONWEAVER. Part of the company's vision is to unleash the value of data context across life cycles so that comprehensive insights become actionable knowledge. Linksphere empowers you to create automated, fast and scalable solutions based on enterprise knowledge graphs across different data silos and links all relevant data along the entire product lifecycle. The advantages for customers include an enhanced quality of decision-making based on comprehensive company information and full data transparency across distributed data silos in a complex process and system landscape. CONWEAVER ensures that companies can digitally transform in a successful way and take the market lead in the complex digital world of tomorrow.